Hello everybody. Now today's topic is classification, odd man out, non-verbal test. Now here for these questions what he will do means he will give some 5 or 4 figures. Okay, 5 or 4 figures and we have to find out odd one. Odd one means that particular thing which is not related to the group. So there are 4 no. In this one will be there that is not related to other 3. So we have to find out that. So now here circle, square, triangle, rectangle he gave. Now here you see vertical lines, horizontal lines. So here vertical lines, horizontal lines, vertical and horizontal lines. But here you see these are lines are in such a way. Okay, means compared to these 3, these are totally different. Here only vertical lines are there but horizontal lines are not present. Half shading. So C is different from these 3. So this is odd man. Okay. Now next, similarly if we go for the next example, here you see a curve or C you think. A black circle, square, white circle, black rhombus and T. Okay. Now in all these 4 examples he just gave this only. But here we have to see the difference which is different from this. Now first let us see. White square is adjacent to black rhombus. Black circle is adjacent to white circle. Right? These 2 I am seeing. Here also let us see no. Square and rhombus are adjacent to each other. Both circles are adjacent to each other. Here also square and rhombus are adjacent to each other. Both circles are adjacent to each other. Now let us see here. Now beside rhombus, adjacent to rhombus what we must have square. But instead of that we have circle. So this is odd one compared to other 2. Now next here. He gave 4 figures. Here you see he shaded in 3 figures he shaded the lower part. But in this figure he shaded the upper part. So this is odd one. Now here he gave certain arrows. See upper arrow, lower arrow, upper arrow, lower arrow. Here in these 3 figures A, B, D. In these 3 figures arrows are in different direction. But in C these upper arrows and lower arrows are in same direction. So this is odd one. Next, here in this only the next model is choosing the similar figure. Here he gave 4 figures. We have to find one particular similarity in these figures. We have to find one particular similarity will be there in these figures. And he will give some options. So we have to find the similarity which we find here in these options. And that will be the correct answer. Here you see different figures he gave. Then what is the similarity between these? You see these lines. These both lines are parallel to each other. You see in all figures these lines are parallel to each other. And in options see these 2 center lines are perpendicular to each other. Here also perpendicular to each other. And here parallel to each other option C. So option C will be the similar to these figures. What is the similarity between this? The center lines are parallel to each other. Again next 2 you see perpendicular to each other. Alright. So option C is the correct answer. Now here you see he gave one arrow and dot. If we find here these are at some other angles other than 90 degrees. These all are at other angles other than 90 degrees. So now we have to see these are other than 90 degrees. But this particular arrow and dot is at 90 degrees to each other. Alright. This is 90 degrees to each other. So now here after this we will get 90 degrees angle after these angles. So this will be the correct one. Alright. Now next same characteristics. Here he gave 4 arrows. See, left, right, top, bottom in same direction. Here also left, right, top, bottom, same direction. Now we have to see the same characteristics where it is here. See, this is in one direction, this is one direction. So this is not the answer. Here see, top, bottom, same direction arrow. Left, right, same direction. Now here let us check another also. No, this is in one direction, this is in same direction, but here top bottom directions are changed. So this is not the answer. Now here also see, left right are in same direction arrows, but top bottom directions change. So answer is option B. Now next, same characteristics we are seeing. So these two are the figures and these two. Here see, it never matches this. This also doesn't match. But here, this is same figure. Okay, this is same figure and this also doesn't match these figures. Means they are not having same characteristics. This is having same characteristics. See, the top in such a way, bottom also in such a way. So C is the right option. Alright, thank you.